What? The hurricane is coming our way. Be prepared. If a Category 3 or 4 or 5 hurricane is approaching your area, it's crucial to take immediate and thorough action to ensure your safety. Here's a top 5 list of things you need to do. First, evacuate if advised. Follow local authorities' evacuation orders. Identify safe routes and have a destination in mind, preferably with family or friends outside the hurricane path. Second, prepare an emergency kit. Gather essential supplies, including water 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days, non-perishable food, medications, first aid kit, flashlight, batteries, and important documents. Third, secure your home. Board up windows and doors with plywood or hurricane shutters. Bring in outdoor furniture and other items that could become projectiles in strong winds. Fourth, stay informed. Keep up with the latest weather updates through reliable sources like local news. Use a battery-powered radio if the power goes out. Finally, plan for communication. Establish a communication plan with family and friends. Make sure everyone knows how to reach each other and where to meet if separated. Taking these steps can help ensure your safety and preparedness in the face of a severe hurricane. Stay safe, everyone. If you are in Florida in Alachua and Marion County, I have provided the list of emergency contact numbers in description.